Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Monday morning. Today we have another recap. Today we are up 54 bucks and 75 cents. So let's move over to the screen share. So good day today. Very good day today. Traded two stocks and I think I took 5 trades or 4 trades, and I was right. I only had one red trade, so good day today. Um, but So I started this morning and I was considering just going over daily goals. What is your daily goal? How to calculate a daily goal? Well, for me, in a very small account, I do have margin and I do have leverage, but I don't really use it that aggressively at all because I'm still learning how to trade. I prefer the margin account just for the fact of whenever I traded in a cash account, I would take one trade and like shrivel, because if it goes up 5 cents, I'm like, sell it. If it goes down 50 cents, I'm like, hold it. It can reverse because you only get that one shot. I don't like that pressure. That I feel like that's an added pressure. So my daily goal is I like to try to grow the account by 10-ish% if I can. 5% I'm okay with. Just constant growth. I don't really have a set number that I shoot for. Just constant growth, and more or less my daily goal is being consistent with my trades and consistent with my discipline. That is more important than the actual P&L. So what did I trade today? Today at 7 a.m. AGRI popped up, and it actually, I was hesitant because if we look here, it already was moving a little bit compared to what it was on Friday. So I was like, oh, maybe it had news earlier, or something. Somehow people knew that this stock might move at some point. So I really wasn't sure. But 7 a.m. it came out with news, and let's hop over onto the 10-second chart. So this I really wanted this trade. Was probably the best trade right here. This kind of flat top breakout through $6. I was hesitant on that because I'm like, well, it doesn't have news, and it did have news, but why did it already pop up? So I was like, I waited on it, and it pops up immediately to 675, and I get this micro pullback at 645 for another squeeze up, and kind of my thing with my strategy and my risk tolerance is I sold very quickly, and I'm so frustrated about that. But I would rather sell quickly for a profit than hold forever for a loser. So my first entry was at 645, and I got out at 670. Yeah, 670. And then I took another trade at 740, which was this right here, trying to just time this 10-second breakout here. So I was looking for a squeeze back up to 8, and we ended up getting it. Another thing, I sold very quickly, and I did scale down on that trade because I was up 40 something bucks on the day. And I was like, I don't need to take too much risk on that. So I scaled down to 50 shares, and I got what I get on this one. I got 10 cents or 20 cents. And then I sized down for 20 to 20 shares at 11. Um, and I got kind of lucky on this one because it broke. I got in this break for 11, and I quickly sold out at 11.13. So I got 20 cents on that. I got in at 10.93 and out really quickly, and then it immediately flushed back down, and that was kind of my day. And I was thinking, I was like, well, I'm okay with not taking another trade today. And then at 750, Voxel, VOXL, it is currently our leading gainer, up 299% now. So it's moving quick. I was also hesitant on this stock because, again, there was another move pre-market. So we're kind of back in the cycle of these stocks are moving before we have an actual move. So Um, my first trade on it was a long time in, and my only trade on it. Okay, I actually didn't realize I got up here really high, which is I only took 20 shares, or no, I took 50 shares on this. Um, I got in at 650 on a little pullback here on the 10-second, and this one was not a good trade. I shouldn't have taken this trade. I don't think I only made $8 on it. But I got in on this pullback, or at 6 was my first entry. Where's my entry? This little pullback on this bottoming tail candle here on the 10-second. It's really not a good enough pullback, so this was not a good trade. But it worked out green for me. I only made $8 on it because I took small share size, but yeah, that is going to be it for my day today. So we're up very nicely, $54.75, and I started today with whatever 578 minus 54 is 520 something, 524. Quick math. So yeah, let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll be back tomorrow for another recap. Peace.